Now the news in detail. Dr. Mehtab Chandee A. Sangma, wife of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, was sworn in as the new legislator of Gambegre constituency today. The oath of office was administered by Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma in the presence of the Chief Minister along with the senior party leaders and supporters. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly now has 4 women representatives among its 60 members. Addressing the issue of women's underrepresentation in politics, Dr. Chandee highlighted the need for greater female participation.
Member from 56 Gambegre constituency, Meghalaya. The Honourable Speaker will now administer the oath to the newly elected member, Dr. Mehtab Chandee Sangma. Honourable Speaker, please.
I, Srimati Mehtab Chandee Sangma, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Mehtab Chandee Sangma. He is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again.
Women in politics is very less, and I think that's the nature of how politics has been, because it's a difficult job, it's very demanding, and I think we as a women, as equal participants in the society, should come out more and then participate more. I just hope that me being one, I hope that so many women will get the encouragement that they need to come out and be part of politics.
Meanwhile, Speaker Thomas A. Sangma